and it feels good.
Yeah? Perfect. Relax. Done. From that. Loose. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Stay there. Loose.
Oh. Wow. You're too good, G. Oh. You're brilliant. You're not just too good, you're brilliant.
Thank you.
Should we take this out?
No. And that, which one? Right. Good. She's finding it funny.
I think you're doing a marvelous job.
Thank you.
Oh.
This
Abhi?
is an actual release. You know, this is
It's
the
brilliant.
sign of an actual release.
You're punishing me. Oh. Teachers always squeezed your ears, no? Whenever you made mistakes.
Okay, this one. Here.
Yeah.
Feel this.
Oh.
Yeah. From that.
Oh.
That was a bad. Okay, this is done. Now I want you to just take a walk. See how you feel with your cervical, with your hands, with your legs, everything.
And my open heart chakra.
Yes.
And a heart chakra.
Yes.
I feel brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you. Really, I mean, you released everything, especially after these 20 days travel.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
slept so badly on the train and in the sleeping bags. And there was the fear of the 15,000 feet on and off.
Yeah. Yeah.
My God,
With
that
your
was the
friend.
biggest fear in my life.
Wow.
But we got over it. Yeah.
Super. Very cool.
Hi, this is Prajakta, and I'm here at Atul Park with Shruti and Chirag Aswani. I've known Chirag for quite a while, and he is a wonderful healer, in fact, a world-renowned healer, and one of my best friends. So I just got back from a long holiday. Should I say holiday? I went on a trek. So we traveled a lot, and we had to climb a lot, and I traveled by train to and fro. And all of this kind of somewhere stressed me out because I was sleeping in sleeping bags, first time ever, and I couldn't sleep. So the 6-7 days when I was sleeping in sleeping bags, I barely slept, and I just couldn't know how to. And I toss and turn and crouch, and I didn't know what I would do. only to get a couple of hours sleep so that I could walk the next day. And when I got back, I was stiff and I didn't feel too good. And I said, who better than Chirag Aswani? And so I called him up and I said, hey, listen, I need whatever you do, the cracking of those bones, and you got to put me back into shape. Because my back also hurts, especially when you are traveling by train, and you are sleeping on the train and you're in the lower berth and the one up there doesn't shut because he or she wants to sleep throughout, and then you're sitting like this all the time at 16 hours of travel. So yes, I was very uncomfortable. There was much discomfort. And voila, this evening he gave me time and I'm so grateful. And he cracked all those necessary points that were so stiff around my neck, my shoulder. I do not know what those points are. He kept saying, see something, see something, see something. And then he did my back and I feel wonderful. He snapped whatever and got my spine into alignment. He also released my arms because I was sleeping very badly. I normally don't sleep so badly. It really affected me. So yes, he touched the heart chakra, opened up the Anahata chakra, and I feel grand because we do our chakra meditation, etc. So when we know what happens when the Anahata chakra expands. So he's done that great deed for me, and I'm looking forward to some nice times and happier times with the Anahata chakra open. He also helped and did something with my legs. I don't know where. He released certain points that were associated to the heart over here. So yes, all in all, I had a brilliant session with Chirag Aswani, and I'm grateful to him because I feel very relaxed. There is more accessibility in turning my neck around. I don't feel the heaviness anymore, and I'm sure it's going to get better as the evening progresses. Thank you so much. God bless you. And call Chirag Aswani if you do need to release any of your tensions. Believe me,